Hello everyone. So today is gonna be our day 23 of the DSA challenge. So the question that we're going to solve today is count number of subarrays with given XOR key. Before moving on to the question, we need to know what is XOR. Okay, great. So in simple language, right? If I say A XOR B, okay. Now what does this mean? So there is a table that we need, okay, A and B, okay, and the answer is told as Q. 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay. See, assume uh, this as a truth table. Okay, this is a truth table. Truth table. I'm not sure where what reference to give you, but see, since I'm an electrical engineer by profession, not by profession, but yeah, in my graduation of electrical engineering, so I can tell you that. Let's just say we have two switches. Okay, uh, two switches, A and B. This is A, this is B, and this is connected to some bulb or some conductor, right? You can call it as C, your conductivity C. Okay. Now this is open, so both of them are open. That means zero. That means no current is passing. What will be the XOR of it? What will be the XOR of it? Okay. So zero and zero, if both of them XOR, the very will be basically the answer. But let's just say if A is open and B is closed, then the answer is nothing but one. Okay. Okay. If A is closed and B is open, like I told you. Now, if both of them are closed, the answer is zero. If the current is passing to both of them, the answer is zero. Else, if the current is passing, nothing is finding off or a it will be. This is how it is. Okay. So if you see, this is how it is, right? This is equivalent to this. So both of them are in, right? So then when it joins, this is the final. I know this is not for people who are, in computer language, but yeah, I mean, this is okay for God, you will say that let's say um, for zero, right? You know what binary is for zero, for zero, right? And for one, it is zero, zero. Like it would be zero and one would be what? From here, it is zero and one would be one, zero, zero, zero. So this, okay, let's just say if this is zero and this is one, let's just say I need to write for three. Okay, now what will be three? So let's just first so bit for three in maybe no, binary digit. Yeah. I don't think I'm getting it here, but okay. If I'm not getting it here, then 1 0 is for 2 and 1 1 is for 3. Okay. So 1 1 is for 3. That is for sure. This is 1 and this is 1 again. And this becomes 0. So again, so this is for 3 and this also becomes 3. So did you notice that this is 0 or any number is nothing but n. Okay. And n or n is nothing but 0. So let's just say if I take 0 and 0 1 and for 1 1 is what? 0, 0, 0 and 0 is because so these are two things that you need to know. Other than that, you can obviously find out what is let's just say if you need to 0 1, that's 3. And if I say 1, 0, 0 is 4, right? What is 3 or 4? This is 1, this is 1, this is nothing but less than 3 or 4. What does that mean? Is it telling me what zone is? Oh, I think it gives 3 dot 4. Okay. Oh, I should have done it in some other place, but it's nothing but 7, right? 7. This is nothing but 7 only, right? So yeah, you can do it. You can do that. Now, what does the question say? Right? The question says that given an array of integer A and integer B, find the total number of arrays with bitwise sort of all elements equal to B, right? In simple terms, let's just say we are given this example, right? Copy this and my B or K, whatever you need to take, K is given as 6, right? I need to find all the sub-arrays. Now we discussed in yesterday's question that what the sub-arrays are and how do you find the sub-arrays, everything we have done yesterday in the question. So the people who did not see yesterday's video, which was based upon this question called largest sub-array with DSA, you need to check out that stuff because we'll be using the same we're going to be here also, right? So A is 4 dot 2 is 6. Okay. 2 dot 2 dot 2 dot 6, sorry, is also 6. Okay. And 4 dot 2 dot this and this is not 6, right? So then so the answer should be 5. No, answer should be 4. I found out 2 and 2 dot okay. So if find out. Yeah. So this also is one sub array that makes on what do you call it? Makes on a 6, right? So how many arrays can be there? One, this is 2, this is 3, and I guess there will be one more. Yeah. So 2 dot 6 dot 4. So if I find out, let's just say 2 dot 6 dot 4. It is 0, right? Because 6 dot 4. Okay, no problem. So that is 6. Okay, no problem. 4, right? 2 or 2s or 2s or 6 or 2. Or again, this is 4. That is 2. Fine. This we have already considered. Then what is 4 or this is 2 again. What is this? This is 2 again. Okay. I mean, yeah, I hope you understood that there will be 4. Now, how do we need to do that, right? How do we need to do that? Let's just find. We already know what the is, right? We know that how to generate all the subarrays, right? All the sub. Now, how do you do that? You take an array which starts with 0, goes till n minus 1. Great. You start a J loop which starts from I and goes till n minus 1 again. Right? You keep a XOR here. You say XOR is equal to XOR array of J, right? And if you check here that if XOR is equal to K, then you say that hey, come on plus plus because we need to sort all these arrays, right? And then you return. Great. So what does this is? We know that when gradually we come from O of n cube time complexity to O of n square. This is the time complexity, and we don't need any space. So this is the brute force. This is a better approach, and now we will go on to the most optimal, right? If you remember from yesterday, what we did, okay. Now, here we are, okay, here we are. Let's just say I have, okay, this is an array given. I'm not concerned about the element right till here. Let's just say the XOR is equal to XOR. Fine, great, okay. Till here, let's just say my XOR is K, that is given to me. No problem. Till here it is X, right? So if I say that, hey, X is XOR K, you are nothing but XR, that is fine, correct? Okay. Now what does X do? So if I XOR K on both sides, XR XOR K, then this becomes X because K and K become 0, right? And 0 XOR anything, any number is X, so is that number only, like I told you, this becomes XR XOR K. This is fine. This you need to remember. That you need to remember for solving this particular question. Now, why am I saying that? Why am I saying that? That's it. Remember, yesterday when we took a map, right, when we took a map data structure, we saw that hey, if this x is already coming, if this x is already coming, then from that point till this point is a array, right? Yesterday also we did the same thing. That hey, if this sum is coming till this point, then if you remember x minus k is equal to the whole sum, then obviously we do yesterday he has 0, but okay, I hope you get the point. So till this point if x is coming till this point also is x is coming, then you know that this is where the 0 is coming. That is here. That is the same situation we are going to use. So we will be okay, which will save now. It will save front XOR. Now what is XOR front? That means from left. Let me the copy there as well. So that I can copy paste it here. I can mark it as green. Yeah. So from here, when we are traveling, we need to save every XOR, right? And it will save counter its second, the second value. Right? Okay. Oh, great. So, let me do this. We will by default take 0 and 1 because 0, let's say we assume XOR as 0, right? And 0 is coming how many things? At least 1. So this will be 1. Okay. Now let's just travel. First is 4. What is 0 dot 0 dot? It is nothing but, it is nothing but 4 only. 4 only. And what is K given? K is given 6, right? So assume till this point, XOR is 4, right? We know that we need to find K, or maybe not here. We need to find an X. Let me do this. So that the whole XOR becomes 6, and this should be X, should be nothing but 2. But are we getting a 2 here? No here. No here. So what will I say? Okay, no problem. 4 is not. 4 is coming. What is 4 XOR 2? What is 4 XOR 2? Now this is coming. Okay. So XOR, it now becomes 4, and now it becomes 4 XOR 2. That is 6. Okay. That is the thing. Okay. And we have, let's just say, it is right now 0. It is right now 0. Okay. So till this point, when XOR is 6, right? till this point my XOR is, and I need, I need a 6 here. What should my X be? It should be 0. Is it coming? Is it in my map? Yes, it is. And what is the value of it? It is 1. So I will add 1 array. Now I will think this count what tell you. Now what is this? This again 6 or 2 is nothing but 4. 4. Now you know 4 16 4 and X what it is. Since we need a 2 and we do not have it, I will just increment it. Because still here also it is till here. Now what is 4 dots? What is 4 dots? We say 4 dots 6 is nothing but 2. Okay? It is nothing. But till here it becomes 2 again. Till this point it is 2. Till this point it is x. And till this point it is has to be 6. Now what x should be? X should be 6 dot 2, which is nothing but 4. Are we getting a 4? Oh yes, we got 2 4s. So till here we got a 4. Oh no, sir. Till here we got a 4 and till here we. So 1 is this and 1 is this. Yes, so we will add 2 to this. Now what it is? It is 2. So now I will add 2 or 1 here and I will increment 2 to this. This becomes 3. Right? So I move to this one. And this 2 or 4 is nothing but 6. And 0 is coming 1. So again, I will increment. And what will I add? I will put 4 or 2 and 3. 6 or 8 here and we have done this. What is the count here? What is the count here? You check. Count is nothing but 4, and that is what the required answer is. Correct? Yes. Now let's write the code. So before writing the code, let's discuss the time. O of n for running the loop for sure. O of log n on in the average case to search for something in the log n. It can be O of 1 and O of n. O of n, the worst case, O of 1 is the best. And what is the space complexity? If we are using the map, we will store O of m, where m is the XOR of everything, or I can just say O of m. We are basically are using this is what we say. Let's try to put get equal to nothing but new correct? Get XOR equal to 0. Let count is equal to 0 again. And I will add 0 to map set XOR and with 1 correct. Now I will loop it I equals to 0, I is less than a dot n. Right. Now I will say that hey, XOR here nothing but XOR a of correct. Till here we are right. Now I will say that hey, count you are nothing but count plus map dot get XOR either add that particular value or add nothing to it. I just can do this. And I need to set the value as well. So dot set XOR first will value the XOR the front XOR and what will be the value? It will be either map dot get what will be? It will be XOR plus 1 or 0, correct? Or sorry, or 1. Am I writing the correct answer? Yes, I think I am. Yeah, I think so. Yeah. So let's return the and let's try to think what is the code, right? Okay, my answer is returning 4, and this is what it is. Let me check what if XOR, I can do this, right? If map dot has XOR, then this comes in here, and also map dot set XOR XOR map dot get XOR +1, right? Else I will say that hey, you just set yourself one time. Now I think that it should run, but I'm still okay. Okay, it still is giving me the okay. What is the problem? What is the problem? Let me check. Really sorry, guys. We like you must have already guessed. We forgot to even calculate the x, right? That is what we were making. So I was searching here that what exactly what was I missing. This x is what we were missing. I need to check that if this x is already present. So if you see that, hey, I will get it and I will add to my count, or else I will just set my XOR to be either if I already have it, then I will put this one to it, or if I don't have it, so zero will be that. So this is what we are setting. This is what we are setting. We don't need to set our x here. We just need to set our x XOR here, right? So if I run this, then it will be fine. And let's try to, and it should definitely run. Yeah, like, your answer is so. I take this. So I think this was the question, and we've already discussed the time complexity. You just need to know that hey, you are going to use some function. Why you are using that map function? I've already discussed in yesterday's video, but again to tell you brief that hey, we need to keep a count. We need to see like till where is that answer coming to? Till where is that answer? Thank you so much guys for joining in. I'll see you tomorrow. Question called longest. Okay, let's mark it. I will. I don't think we can keep the the longest of some k using some keep uh, keep a track of front door and its count. That's it. I don't think I need head for it or move for it. Let's try to yeah, I've already marked it as done. I'll see you for the discussion log and stop string without repeat. Thank you so much guys for joining in. I'll see you. Take care.